to Slovakia. I will get a tram and then a metro to the bus station, and then I'm getting on a bus to Bratislava. Do you ever feel like when you're leaving somewhere that you've definitely forgotten something, even though you've checked over the whole room about 25 times? That's how I feel right now, but we move. Slight change of plan. The machine at the tram stop wasn't working, so I was going to walk to the next one, but I think instead it's a 30-minute walk to the metro, and I will just get on the metro then. I'm early, so a nice little walk over the bridge won't harm anyone. I made it to the bus station alive. Yeah, it's pretty easy actually. Now I've got to sit for an hour and 10 minutes waiting for my bus. This is why I do things early. Hello, I've made it to Bratislava. I apologise not filming anything of the journey. I made a friend, we got chatting, and I missed all the good bits of leaving Hungary. All the mountainous, because after that it just went a bit flat. The windows were dirty and reflecting back in of a man picking his nose. It only cost me €8.90 to get from Budapest to Bratislava. The way I'm walking around like this, by the way, is because there's a bed here, if you can't see on the camera, so I can't really, I know it's my fault for angling, but I thought this was a nice shot of these, but I just can't come any closer. Let me do this. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go explore a bit of Bratislava now. Go Bratislava castle. It's another 30-degree day. I can't deal with this anymore. So the tram's not happening because it's an old machine, not like in Hungary where I could translate it to English. All the machines are all old, so it's all buttons and there's no way of changing languages. Obviously not that I expect it, but it just means that I can't use it. I tried to use Google Translate on it, but all that the words have been scratched out, so it was only translating the amount of how much the ticket's gonna cost, not actually what the ticket is. So I'm walking half an hour. It's 30 degrees. I've been walking for 5 minutes and my back is already a puddle. Do you know what? It's fine. I'm enjoying it. I'm taking in the Bratislavan buildings, but I would have rather got a tram. made it to Bratislava castle. I'm knackered, I can't lie. Here's a long walk all the way uphill. This castle is just on a massive hill. Oh, it looks really nice up here, I can't lie. Hello, you joined me inside the grounds of Bratislava Castle. It feels hotter today than any other day, even though my phone says it's 25 degrees. It feels about 32 today. Some guys are mowing the lawn down there, so that's why it's very loud. I'm gonna go and explore more of the castle area, and then I'll probably head back down to the old town because I feel like there's still loads more of that to go and visit. It's a very hot day, I'm very tired already, I can't lie, but we move. If you come here, I recommend one full day is all that's needed in my opinion. I've got a travel day tomorrow to Brno, which is going to be exciting because I'm going by train. I've worn a football top and my back is wetter than any other day in the space of an hour. I'm f***ing knackered already, I've only just climbed up the hill. Wait.